Alright, what are we doing, Matt?
Oh, I'm doing it?
Yeah.
Oh, you want to do an unboxing of this curriculum?
Yeah. What curriculum is it?
Life's Bright.
Huh?
I don't know. It's Tinderwood.
Timberdoodle, 2nd grade. And it's curriculum package. So, we have our little paper on top of here. Alright, go ahead, Matt. Pull them out. Pull them out for me. Alright, so first thing we got is the Ingenue. We got the second package. So you have like the smallest basic package, the complete package, and then like a, I don't know, advanced one. But
this is the 30 model.
This comes with the 30 model. If you were to get the higher packet, like the higher up package, it's a 60 model. So that's one of the reasons I got it, was because of this thing right here.
Yep.
Okay.
The next thing is the plant cell 4D science.
Okay, this one in particular does not come with the complete package. This was just something separate that I purchased. It comes in the biggest package, but I really wanted this one for our botany class.
Yeah. And this next thing is a bunch of stuff.
Here, he had to cut that one.
I have to be. Right.
Otis.
All right, so in this package we got a little pencil there. I don't know. Pencil.
Oh, it's a scented pencils.
Oh, scented pencils.
Yeah. Smell
them. Yeah. 77 ways to play Tenzi.
Okay. And Tenzi is one of the games that comes with the curriculum. It's all about like hands-on games.
Qubit Solo.
Qubit Solo.
Here's this thinking putty that we saw.
Yeah, that's the one. Russell's gonna like that. We saw this at a teaching store, and I was like, he was already looking at it, and I'm like, wait, that comes with your curriculum. It's pretty awesome.
We got multiplication and division.
These are the wrap-ups.
And looks like more Tenzi dice.
Okay.
Oh, Carolina Panthers calls boo. Sorry. Yeah, Tenzi dice. And then we got Tintin in America. The Adventures of Tintin. Basically like it's almost like a comic book.
Yeah.
Yeah, and that's a, it gives like kind of like a history of Tintin timeline in the back. 62 page book. Plus you got in the front, you got all your little descriptions of the characters, right?
Yeah.
Al Capone. And then it starts. Cool book.
Ooh.
Alright. Next is the laser maze. Science logic maze for juniors. It's laser maze junior. 40 easy to super hard challenges.
That'll be fun.
Ages 6 and up. We'll have to figure out how that game is played. I don't know.
Yeah.
Never seen
That'd
it
be
before.
fun to do.
That'd be pretty cool. Alright, what do we got next? Looks like we got a bunch of books here. A bunch of quick. Oh my goodness. How'd you carry this in?
Don't ask me.
You must have been when that mom adrenaline must have kicked in.
The box!
Curriculum!
I really want to play with this.
Yeah, but that's for your what is that?
Next year, yeah.
Next year, man. You have that to look forward to. No, that's for next year, buddy. That's something to look forward to.
I want to play with this.
Alright, so we got
Russell.
spelling you see? I don't know.
Yep, spelling you see. This is the instructor's manual.
Alright. This is the Timberdoodle's Curriculum Handbook 2. So, the handbook.
Oh, that tells you what comes with it, like all the things that are in it, and what to do with them.
This is a catalog, I'm assuming, 30th anniversary.
Yeah.
Timberdoodle. Good?
Yeah.
Building thinking skills, level 1.
Yeah, and critical thinking.
Critical thinking. And language smarts, level C.
Language arts.
Grammar. Right?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, this is going to be fun. So the next thing we got is a reason for handwriting. I wish I had that when I was growing up. And then the last book.
Oh, student sheets? Or is that?
This looks like a... I don't
Yeah,
know,
the
it's a
student
student
workbook thing. Of the... Because we had the book of it over here.
Nicholas Copernicus.
That's it?
Now we gotta burn, baby.
Finish it? No! Finish it.
So yeah, that was the curriculum for Tinderdoodle. No, is that what it is? Timberdoodle. So yeah, if you guys haven't seen Timberdoodle, if you guys never heard of it, I would suggest checking it out. From what I see here, it's very high quality, very good curriculum. So definitely, if you're considering curriculums, I would check it out. So give a like to this video, thumbs it up, and yeah, both those. Daily geography practice, grade 2.
Yeah, that's one thing I really liked about it, was the geography.
I really want this.
Oh, they hung up. Alright.
Yeah, so it has a map of Arizona, and then it even has map keys they can learn. I didn't do my manicure today, so my hands are all dirty. Desert, mountain, canyons.
Oh, yeah.
You can, you know, that's a cool book.
Look at the special. Remember the special putty?
Yeah, that's what we were talking about. That you really liked it.
This is the test practice.
To play with thinking
Spectrum
putty.
test practice, grade 2.
I at least wanna.
I'm assuming they learn how to take tests. That helps them practice for taking tests.
Play with thinking putty.
Whoa, this thing's crisp.
Thinking putty.
Russell, we're not playing with that. That's for next year, Russell.
Oh yeah, this is the
Oh,
the science.
look
We're doing botany this upcoming year.
at that. Look at
Exploring creation with botany.
that. Wow.
Mommy.
Learn a bunch of stuff about plants in here.
Mommy.
That's pretty
What,
cool.
Russell?
Can I have a smoothie?
Seed
Hold on.
making, twig and autonomy.
Otis.
Otis is he's rolling on something on the ground over there. He likes it. All right, the next one is construction doodles. Did this come with the package too? Or
Yes.
did you buy this separate?
No, came with it.
Wow, look at that. So
It tells you how to write it. That's cool.
what's going on
That's
at the building
for art.
site? So basically, you kind of make up your own, right?
Yeah.
What is the wrecking ball destroying? You can just draw something that's going to destroy. That's cool.
Uh-oh, Sarah.
What's the crane lifting? You can draw whatever you want the crane to lift. That's going to be a cool book.
Hey, Sarah.
Mathematical and reasoning. Cool, look at the size of that book.
We already have this. We already had this.
Yeah, that's just one thing that came with it. Yeah, we do have that.
Whoa.
Mathematic reasoning.
Wait, Russell, hold on.
Lesson
Okay.
I'm going upstairs to watch the Pokemon movie.
Ooh. Very colorful pages. High quality. Your toes? Okay. I have toes too. Step-by-step drawing book. Word fun. Oh. Word fun. It's a tongue twister book, maybe?
I don't know. We'll have to look in there.
Daily writing? 6 trait writing? This is getting advanced, man. You better step up his game. Sorry, I'm just looking at him by myself.
It's alright. I'm looking at it with you from here. Be nice,
And
please.
then,
Hey,
you got
please.
the junior botany notebooking journal?
Yeah, so whatever they learn, they're gonna write it down. They're gonna do all those little...
Cool. That's that. More busy times. That's your chapter book.
Those are readers, yeah.
Readers. Climbing higher. Oh, pretty thick books.
Daddy.
Yeah. Busy times. The story of the world.
That's the history lesson.
What?
History.
Man, looks like that guy's gonna arrow something, man.
Hey, you okay?
She's okay. Okay, now this is a spelling you see.
That's the workbook. The other one was the...
Student workbook, part 2. Part 1, there's 2. Building thinking skills, level 1.
Yeah, critical thinking.
Critical thinking. And language smarts, level C.
Language arts.
Grammar. Right?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, this is gonna be fun. So the next thing we got is a reason for handwriting. I wish I had that when I was growing up. And then the last book.
Are those student sheets? Or is that?
This looks like a. I don't
Yeah,
know,
the
it's
student
huge.
workbook thing. Of the... Because we had the book of it over here.
Nicholas Copernicus. So yeah, that was the curriculum for Timberdoodle. No, is that what it is? Timberdoodle. So yeah, if you guys haven't seen Timberdoodle, if you guys never heard of it, I would suggest checking it out. From what I see here, it's very high quality, very good curriculum. So definitely, if you're considering curriculums, I would check it out. So give a like to this video, thumbs it up, and yeah, both those.